Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nivas. Welcome to Live Watch Chennai. Today I am going to draw the Indian cricketer Virat Kohli. He is a present day captain for the Indian team. So as usual, I am going to start with the outline. So I am using the Apsara extra dark pencil. So usually I started from eye. Following that I am drawing nose, so eyeball inside. So this time I have kept the reference picture on the left side. So now it will be very fine for the viewers to analyze the drawing with the picture. So next eyebrow. This is second eye on the right side. See, the second eye is little bigger than the first one because is turning from left to right, so it looks perspective. So in the perspective, obviously the eye which is a little distance from the one will be smaller. This is the logic, so that it looks like bigger than the first one. So following that I am drawing eyebrow. Actually this is not at all the final drawing, this is the rough one. I'm making for having the correct proportions of the face. So next nose point. If you have any doubt, you can check with the reference picture. So you all have one doubt that how I measure the distance and how I measure the parts one by one. This is nothing. I'm taking the closer subject, like closer objects, closer things. It can be any outline or light and shadow or any mark, so we can catch that for drawing the closer thing. So see, mustache, I'm following that. I'm drawing the beard. I'm marking the shadow. So this is beard marks. Always try from the eyes and draw the outer part. It will be easy to compose the face. But meanwhile, you got to be very careful on the particular parts that you are drawing. It should resemble the same. Sometime we'll concentrate on the proportion and the measurement, but fail to bring the person's character. But for the drawing, we have to focus on both the proportion and the feature of the person. The resemblance of the person to be very exactly. So if you are not able to draw the resemblance or having the proportions, you can make the correction on the final outline that I am doing with the steadler 8B pencil. So this is ear. So you can check, I am drawing the closest thing, but we should keep the basic measurement in the mind. Okay, you may be wondered that I don't use any basic lines or guidelines to draw the portrait, but even I was using all those guidelines in the beginning. Later, once I got the enough experience, I stopped using the guidelines to draw the portrait. So you will also have the same thing when you have such experience to draw like this. Okay. So you can see the resemblance in the drawing itself. This is actually a rough drawing. So next I'm drawing the collar of the t-shirt, I mean jersey. I think I need to learn more about the editing to explain and teaching in a proper way. See, this is I'm using Steadler 8B pencil for the final outline. You can check in my all video. I used to draw the final outline with the 8B pencil. It can be sometimes small pencil because I have already used it, but this is new one, so it looks so large and big. So this is the final outline I am doing with the Steadler 8B pencil. See, on the forehead area, it was looking like little broader than the picture, so I reduced it. So next, even hair I reduced a little bit. See, I am not drawing the final outline on the rough line because that is a rough line. In particular area, I would like to have some changes. I will compare with the original picture so that I can find out the mistakes, and if there I have to do any alternate means I can do it in the final outline. See, but here you must be very careful because these Stellar 8B pencil cannot be erased completely if you even make any mistake. So you should be very much sure to make a final outline, otherwise the Stellar pencil mark will not go and it will stay even if you make a shading on it. This is my style. I used to have the sketch like this. Actually, this is not a real-time video, so even I go the real-time video with a board. I don't like the real-time video. Even audience will not stay for long to watch this. So now I am erasing the unwanted lines, I mean the rough lines. So it was made by normal Apsara extra dark pencil, so it went easily. Okay. So even now I will check with the original pictures, so I find some corrections. So in the neck area it look broader, so I wanted to make it little thinner. The neck area looks broader in the drawing, so I'm just reducing it. Okay, now almost we are in the end of the session for the sketching part, so I'll be doing the shading in the part 2, I mean the episode 2. So I think you all like this sketching part, so thanks for watching. I'll see you with the shading part. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone, this is Mr. Srinivas. Welcome to